Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And I know I told you the last one was the last one, but this one I just couldn't let get by. Some of you all may be going out. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this one. This one here is super awesome. Let's take a look at it real quick. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And I know I told you the last one was the last one, but I couldn't let this one go by. This watch face is super awesome. The name of the watch face is called KT Nova Fit 2 Digital Analog. And in the door, I gotta let you know that this is a free trial. I don't know how much it's gonna cost at the end of the day. It's gonna be up to you to see whether it's worth the price that you're gonna find out after the trial ends. Cool, but the watch face is super gorgeous. I like the layout, I like the theme, I like the design of this watch face most of all. Now, in the always on mode, it has a very nice, unique look. It has a glow in the dark theme type of look. Now for the Gears 2, it doesn't look as good as what it displays for the Gears 3, but you're still able to see your time at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, you're gonna get your digital time at the top. You're gonna get a moon phase, your month, your date, and also the day of the week. I'm liking this look. And you come down, you're gonna get your analog look. You're gonna get a sweeping second hand that I'm fond of. You come down, you're also gonna get two dials, right? Now here's the uniqueness in this one that I haven't seen on the watch face yet. Now you're gonna get your step goal completed with the meter at the top. Down at the bottom, you're gonna get the number of steps you have thus far, which I have 0, I haven't been anywhere. And then on the right side of the watch face, you're gonna get your battery info with the meter, and down at the bottom, you're gonna get info on your calories burned. So I'm thinking this is a good look, and you can send a text message and a phone call, and it is interactive. I'm loving the look of this watch face. I like the way the index look as well, very classic, has a very elegant look to it as well. This is beautiful, right? But we're not done yet. So if I double tap, you have some rich colors that comes out of this. I'm loving this blue. This blue looks gorgeous. And you have several in all. This one here is the daytime watch face look. I'm telling you, the developer definitely got down on this one. I don't know what the price is going to be, but it might be worth it. At the end of the day, you will make that choice. All right, you all, that's it. That's all. I just had to show you this one. I couldn't let this one slide. Listen, I hope you all have a great weekend. Have fun, be safe, party like it's 1999, and enjoy. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.